Tired of your marketing automation feeling like navigating a maze? Let's streamline things by upgrading your Xerochat to the newest version, unlocking its full potential. First, and this is crucial, back up your entire Xerochat system. Find the backup option in your dashboard. It's usually under Settings or Admin. Click it and download the backup file to your computer. This ensures you have a safety net in case anything goes wrong. Next, download the latest version of Xerochat from the official Xerochat website or your purchase platform. Unzip the downloaded file, and you will see all the updated files you need. Be sure the new files are from a credible source. Now, carefully replace the old Xerochat files on your server. With the new ones, you'll need to use an FTP client like FileZilla or your hosting provider's file manager. Overwrite all existing files with the new versions, ensuring no files are missed. After replacing the files, you may need to migrate the database. Usually, Xerochat will prompt you to do this automatically after you log and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This process updates your database schema to be compatible with the new version. Once the file replacement and database migration are complete, log into your Xerochat dashboard. Everything should be running smoothly. Take a moment to explore the new features and improvements. Congratulations! You've successfully updated Xerochat. Enjoy the enhanced features and smoother performance that will supercharge your marketing automation.